Hi, it's Mike, and today
We're going to have a quick look at formatting in Word. Now say you've formatted some text and you would like to carry this across to other areas of the document. Rather than going through and finding the options again, if you just click on where you formatted, click Format Painter and then highlight the text, it will automatically change it to the formatting from the previous text that you've selected. If you ever want to undo the formatting, highlight the text and then click Clear Formatting and that will just take it back. Here I've used styles to add headers, which is here. Now say you add a header and you decide that you want to change the colour of all these headers, just go and right click, click on modify, and you can change the colour in here, and this will change the colour of all the headers. Rather than having to go through and do it one by one, you can also change all the formatting as needed, like the text, and it does it all for you.
thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.